What's up, guys? For today's video, we're going to be reviewing the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. So on the driver door, you have the window control. All four windows are fully automatic. Right below it, you have the children lock and window lock. Right above, you have the mirror control with soft closing mirrors. Also, you have the lock and unlock with the door handle. And right down there, you have two memory seats and the Bose speaker. Also have two bottle holder and a little storage. And on the left hand side of the steering wheel, you have the trailer brake, you have the light control, and you have the traction control, parking sensors, and lane keeping assist. And on the steering wheel, you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side, you have the collision alert, and you have the heated steering wheel. You also have the cruise control. And on the right hand side, you have voice command.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like this. Call 555. Speech session ended. Goodbye.
You also have the controls for the screen. And behind the steering wheel, you have the windshield wiper controls and the rear wiper controls. You also have the turning signal. And on the right hand side, you have the 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and trailer. And on the screen you have your speeds, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, and blank page. You also have your audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have your units, information page, speed warning, and on the center console you have the 8-inch color display. Right below it you have the radio controls. You have the climate control and rear climate control. You also have heat seats. You have the engine start stop button. And behind the screen there's a padded storage with USB port. And right down here you have 12-volt power outlet and 2 USB ports. You also have 2 cup holders. You have a little phone holder right here. And on the screen you have your audio. You have phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar navigation, settings. You have your time and date, your rear seat reminder, language, valet mode, teen driver, radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display. You also have rear camera, return to factory settings, and Wi-Fi. You have text.
OnStar ready.
OnStar.
Thank you. Goodbye.
And shop. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $52,455. They added the signature package, which includes 20-inch wheels, chrome grille insert, chrome assist steps, and chrome tow hooks, polished exhaust tip. They also added the maximum trailing package. So the total vehicle price comes up to $59,650. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings. And fuel economy. So the engine on this truck is a 5.3 liter V8 Ecotec, making 23 on the highway and 16 in the city with 19 miles per hour combined. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.